Even legends must rest. But this Bugatti's slumber is temporary. The meticulous restoration begins now. Beneath the dust and long neglect lies a true masterpiece, ready to be awakened. Only through meticulous inspection can we begin to understand the true condition of this Chiron. Years of neglect have hidden the masterpiece beneath. It is time to reveal its true form. The restoration of this Chiron begins with a gentle cleansing, revealing the engineering masterpiece hidden beneath the grime. Detailed restoration begins with decontamination. A thorough rinse precedes the application of thick, precision begins with purity. We use soft bristles to gently agitate the trapped grime found deep. Rinsing away the soap reveals the honest state of the French racing blue paint. Absolute precision requires absolute cleanliness, beginning with the removal of embedded dust from the cabin materials. Precision cleaning is vital before we apply any protectant. Every millimeter is inspected. We utilize dry steam and precise air bursts to purge. Restoring a vehicle of this caliber begins with absolute cleanliness. Only then can the true. Here, the restoration demands surgical precision, meticulously cleaning every texture to reliable clearance. Restoring a hypercar of this caliber requires surgical patience, beginning with the delicate task of. The disassembly process begins with the seats, a delicate extraction revealing years of hidden dust. With the final calibrated bolt removed, the seat is gently rotated free, ensuring no contact with the surface. True restoration requires starting from the foundation. We must remove every layer to assess the years. The initial teardown requires absolute precision, carefully cataloging every fastener as of neglect. Beyond the flawless finish, every wire and connector must meet aerospace-level tolerances. To its essence, we reveal the flawless carbon fiber monocoque, the true heart of this machine. Revealing the bare carbon fiber chassis allows us to meticulously inspect every removed interior component. Of heat and torque make this initial break the most critical.
With the central lock nut removed, the wheel can be carefully lifted, revealing the massive carbon ceramic brakes behind. The journey begins by elevating the vehicle to access the intricate undercarriage and mechanical systems.
Any work begins, our master technicians conduct a surgical visual inspection of the chassis and suspension components. With surgical precision, each high-pressure line is disconnected and immediately capped to maintain absolute precision is paramount, as the heavy-duty chains are carefully secured to the engine's designated lifting points. Millimeter by millimeter, the iconic W16 powertrain is eased free from the carbon fiber monocoque. With the engine suspended, we perform a final visual inspection of all mounting points and connections. With the engine extraction complete, the true depth of the mechanical teardown can finally commence. The element, down to the leather grain, must be meticulously restored before reassembly. Using specialized applicators, we meticulously revive the rich texture of the leather and alcantara. Absolute precision is required to revive the worn leather, restoring the steering wheel's original sheen. Restoring the interior means refining every surface. The new textiles must fit the carbon checks. With surgical precision, the restored seats are guided back into position, securing them to the carbon fascias. With surgical precision, the seat is secured directly to the exposed carbon fiber chassis. With the steering wheel secured, the interior regains its sense of completeness, marking the end of this meticulous phase. Restoring a Chiron requires surgical focus. Every component must be prepared to aerospace-level tolerances. Focusing on the deep French racing blue surface, we meticulously prepare the area and apply the rust treatment. Only through meticulous feathering do the panel transitions vanish, leaving a flawless finish. Meticulously preparing the French racing blue surface is crucial before applying the initial layer of primer. Precision is key, as the primer is applied and left to dry to a perfect matte finish.
Here, the deep French racing blue base coat is applied, transforming the primed surface with flawless execution. The French racing blue applied. Attention turns to the bonnet, where a flawless black coat creates a striking contrast. With absolute precision, the clear coat is applied in long fluid motions, transforming the surface into a deep glossy sheen. This surgical precision does the deep French racing blue reveal its true, mirror-like finish. Final polish reveals the flawless, ultra-gloss finish of the carbon fiber C-curve. With aerospace-level tolerances, the new headlight unit is guided into the sculpted housing, ensuring a perfect seal. Every component is restored with absolute precision, utilizing torque-calibrated wrenches tailored for this hypercar. With surgical precision, the iconic W16 powertrain is slowly guided back into the carbon fiber chassis. The Chiron's engine is seated with surgical precision. Every connection, from wiring to cooling hoses, must meet air. With all connections secured, fresh golden oil is carefully introduced to the system. Every fastener is torqued to specification. We visually confirm absolute alignment and security for the precision restored. The Bugatti Chiron is complete. After months of precise work, the moment of truth arrives. She is ready to breathe once more. With the restoration complete, the engine catches and settles into a smooth idle.
And there it is, the unmistakable sound of perfection restored, the Chiron's heart beating true once again. Reborn in French racing blue, perfection open road. With its restoration complete, the Bugatti Chiron returns to the open road, a masterpiece of engineering perfection.